Okay, what first brought you to yoga? I had to repeat it because it was 3, 2, 1. Okay, go.
Okay, about a year ago, I was struggling with some mental health issues, and I decided to try something new and go up to the Yoga Nook and do my first yoga class.
Okay, I'm going to repeat what you said. About a year ago, I was struggling with some mental health issues. I decided to try something new, and then you said you went up to take some yoga classes.
I went up to take a warm, slow flow up at the Yoga Nook.
Okay, quick, somebody has a question, a clarity question. Warm, slow flow.
What is warm, slow flow?
A warm, slow flow class is a heated yoga class that takes you through heat and strength yoga poses, and well, there's 3 different type of classes, and it's the middle class, I'd say, because there's a hot vinyasa, which is way more heated than a warm, slow flow class, and it's
Wait a minute, I can't keep
like
up. So you said do you realize you have to do this when you interview? Okay, so you said the class you took was more the middle
it was
class,
more the middle class,
and there's heat and then strength poses. Then you said there were 2 others.
Yep. There's a hot vinyasa class.
How do you spell vinyasa?
Vinyasa.
Do you see I'm modeling for you? Okay, it's a weird word. Okay, and what is that?
It's a lot more stronger than the warm slow flow class, and it's a lot hotter, and you go through a bunch of poses and basically like a flow during the class.
So you said there's a hot vinyasa class. It's a lot stronger. What do you mean by stronger?
The poses are more complex, and you go through poses fast, and it's hotter.
And what is the 3rd class?
Yin yoga.
Would you spell that?
Yin yoga.
Okay.
Yin yoga is a class for relaxation and meditation. You get a bolster and 2 blankets, an eye pillow, and then you get the
Wait a minute. Do you understand that she's going too fast? So we have to pause her. Am I helping you when I pause her? Okay, so she said, I'm going to repeat what I heard. You get a bolster, 2 blankets, an eye pillow, and, okay. And the bolsters are for what?
Helping you with poses.
Okay.
You use them in poses because your instructor leads you through 5 different poses the whole class, and you just relax.
So far what she's given us is kind of definitions, right? It's facts. Correct? She summarized the 3 classes that they offer at the Yoga Nook. But and that's good to know. It's good background knowledge. I'm going to pause for just a bit. But now we need to get to her reaction and why. Does that make sense? So, who has a question?
Why do you do yoga? Do you think it has like benefits?
It has definitely benefited me in many ways. It's helped with my mental health, my physical health. And it's become a hobby of mine. It challenges my body.
Pause. How has it helped your, start with physical, and then how has it helped with your mental health?
Okay, physically, the classes are really hard, so it helps my arms get stronger, it helps my balance, and like getting to know my body.
Can you repeat that again?
My arms have gotten stronger, it's helped with my balance, and I've been getting to know my body.
What's that mean?
Like what feels right and what feels wrong in different poses.
And then the next one is going to be, how has it helped your mental health?
I've become very mindful of myself because every yoga class has a different lesson that like comes with it. And Sarika,
Would you spell her name?
Sarika.
She's the teacher, the instructor?
She's one of the instructors. She takes each class as a different lesson. So every class has a different lesson or a different purpose to it. That's like a mental thing.
Give some examples, because I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Okay. One time we were practicing gratitude, and that's kind of like a mental thing. And then setting your intention for what you want to do, what you want to get out of the class.
What's an example of an intention? To become more grateful?
Yeah, become more grateful. More mindful. And set an intention to get what you want to get out of the class.
And some other examples of what that might be?
Like, let me think.
For those of you that just joined us, we're video recording. We have like 7 more minute videos, so what you say will be recorded. Okay, let's go on. So, why do you need this stuff? How has it really helped you?
The Sarika, the instructor, plans the class, she plans the music, and she cares about the class.
How has it helped you, though? How are you different from when you were struggling mentally a year ago?
Doing different poses that are really hard has made me more stronger mentally of not giving up, because there are some poses that we do that are very challenging, and I've learned not to give up and to keep trying.
Do you connect this to your world beyond the Yoga Nook?
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
So, with like the not giving up part, like I don't give up at school because I learned from yoga that if I don't give up, I can do a stronger pose that I didn't think I was able to do.
So, okay, with the not giving up, I don't give up at school. I learned that at yoga...
By not giving up,
Okay.
that I can do a stronger pose that I didn't think I was able to do. So in real life, if I don't give up, I can accomplish more things that I maybe have thought that I wouldn't accomplish.
Can you name one example
Of
that you applied it outside of?
Yeah, one time in biology class, I couldn't find an answer to a question that I was trying to look for. So, and I really wanted to give up because I couldn't find the answer. But then I kept trying to find the answer and I didn't give up. And then I found the answer, and that led me to more success in the class and a higher grade.
Good. Any other connections? Because that's a really concrete one.
Like, what do you mean by
Or even gratitude. You know, your intention is gratitude. How has that helped you?
being mindful of others and what they're going through, kind of, I'd say.
So finish your sentence. You said being mindful of others and what they are going through has helped you, or I don't know. Where were you going with that?
I don't really know.
Or is being mindful, I don't want to put words in your mouth. You learn to be mindful in yoga.
Yup.
Has that helped you be mindful of others?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to rephrase that. Being mindful at yoga helped you be mindful of others and what they're going through.
Yes.
Okay. We need to know some facts because my timer is going to run out, or maybe it already did. I don't know. We need to know some facts, some things like,
When did the Yoga Nook open?
yes.
Last year, October.
So October 2021.
October 21. I don't know the exact day, but if I could look on my phone, I could tell you the exact day.
Okay, so I want to know, how many times do you do yoga? How often?
Two times a week.
So some people would say, well, that's really expensive. I'm going to be honest.
Yep.
How do you handle that?
I get
What
it
is your
for
app?
free
You get it for free.
because I work there.
So that really helps.
But people that go multiple times a week will do a monthly membership. So instead of paying for $14 to take a class, they pay $8.33 to take a class.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yep. Okay. What other benefits do you get
From doing yoga?
from doing yoga? How long, but let's back up. How long have you worked there?
Since December last year.
Okay. And you work, I don't want to go a lot into that, but how many hours a week? About 2, 5, 10, 12? 5 to 10?
12.
Okay. Okay. And my other question that I had for you was what? Anybody have a question?
Is there like a moment in your head, like when you first started doing yoga, that you were like, "This is for me. This is kind of what I want to like pick up on"?
Yeah. My first class, I walked in there not knowing what the heck I was doing. But then when I walked into like my 5th class,